Understanding the touch screen glitch. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's become increasingly relevant in our digital world: touch screen glitch. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, or any touch-enabled device, understanding this phenomenon is crucial. Let's explore what it means, why it happens, and how it affects your device usage. Stay tuned to demystify this tech term. A touch screen glitch refers to any unexpected behavior or malfunction of a device's touch screen. This can range from the screen not responding to your touch, to acting on its own without any input. It's as if the device has a mind of its own. These glitches can be temporary or persistent, and they can significantly affect how you interact with your device. There are several reasons why a touchscreen might start glitching. Some of the most common causes include physical damage, like cracks or moisture can interfere with the screen's ability to register touch accurately. Software issues, outdated or buggy software can lead to glitches. Overuse, constantly using the device can sometimes overload the system, causing temporary glitches. External factors, such as extreme temperatures or electromagnetic interference. Understanding these causes helps in identifying the best approach to fix or minimize the glitches. Dealing with touchscreen glitches involves a few straightforward steps. 1. Restart your device. Often, a simple reboot can fix temporary glitches. 2. Update your software. Make sure your device's operating system and apps are up to date. 3. Protect your screen. Use screen protectors and cases to prevent physical damage. 4. Seek professional help. If the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue that requires professional repair. Prevention is always better than cure. To avoid future touch screen glitches, handle with care. Be gentle with your device to avoid physical damage. Keep your device clean. Dust and grime can affect screen sensitivity. Avoid extreme conditions. Keep your device away from extreme heat, cold, or moisture. We hope this video has shed light on what touch screen glitch means and how you can tackle it. Remember, while technology has become a crucial part of our lives, it's not without its flaws. Being informed and prepared is the key to overcoming these minor hurdles. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and explanations.